Welcome to this week's episode of J&N,
a show with interesting people
and even more interesting topics.
Today we will cover the Jacket Code Assembly,
the Pep Assembly, and the student staff basketball game,
and the Swarm Thanksgiving.
I'm Anna.
And I'm Hadley.
Hit that intro. This month's Jacket Code Assembly was so much fun.
Yeah, you know what else is fun?
What?
The student staff basketball game. Oh dang, the staff really beat the students.
I'm thankful we at least scored.
Let's see how the Swarm Thanksgiving went.
Jacket Swarm celebrated Thanksgiving Tuesday, November 18th.
So for Thanksgiving, we did some cookie decorating. We all got together in cafeteria, watched a Thanksgiving-focused movie, and did some arts and crafts, along with a few table games. Just to focus on being thankful for things we have and just being able to help others with what they're thankful for. We had some table games. We also did some arts and crafts with some pumpkin decorating and watched a movie.
Wow, this Thanksgiving was so much fun.
Yeah, it was.
That's all for this episode. See you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.
Guys, put cash down.